Hi guys, here's the iPad Pro with its 12.9-inch screen. You can see the LCD is very big, really big compared to other iPads you have seen. So I heated it already at about 70 degrees and now it's really hot. I prefer to use these blades because they can only go in at the tip, so you are sure that you're not going to damage something inside. And they help to open up the glass while you can put in your prime plastic. Now you may need to hit several times because while you work it gets cold and it's pretty easy to break when it's cold. So you better keep it warm all the time as you try to pry around the screen. Now I realized something. It's better to go around with your plastic tool slowly several times. But before you do this, it's always important to have a knowledge of how it looks inside. So I got another LCD just to compare, and I will know the position of the flex in the areas which have more glue, where I have to go deep, and the areas where I don't have to go deep. Here it's very thin, so you just have to send in your pry tool just later, and here you need to go in deeper. As you can see here, you need to go in deeper as well. Now you have a picture of how it looks inside, so it's easy to go around it without being afraid. So this took around, I don't know, 10 maybe 15 minutes. Prying and heating slowly. So you don't want to go in so deep and damage something. You want to stay just at the edge, and as you send in the plastic, you feel a slight relief, and you just release the glue. So you can do that again and again and again and again until you're able to see something inside. So it doesn't matter how many times you heat, but always make sure you keep the temperature at about 60 degrees, 50 degrees. That way the plastic is not damaged and the glue is always soft. The main challenge you are going to face here is that while you're busy opening one side, the other side is getting cold because the iPad is so big. So it opens up, and here you can see you must be careful with the LCD. Don't open too much because it's very short and you will need a very short screwdriver that can work in the limited space provided to open the screws to remove the LCD connector. So that was it, guys. The LCD is out and it's working, not broken. So you can just pull out the flex. It's easy to replace another LCD, or perhaps you want to change the battery. Then you would like to watch the next video, which I'm going to explain exactly the steps you require to change the battery. So guys, thanks for watching and see you around.
I damaged it on one side. I connected very bad.
Oh